Holy shit. Oh. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who not. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. Ooh, I think y'all a little foggy. There we go. Wipe it all off real quick. So I want to do a quick video. As y'all can see, it's raining outside. Y'all probably can't tell, but it is raining. And I want to do a quick video on how well the Ridge Grapplers work in the rain. So if you don't know, a lot of you guys do. I had Ironman Country MTs, but now I have the Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a hybrid tire. Hybrid, I mean you can go, they're good on road and they're good off road. They're quiet like a all-terrain tire. Also give you off-road performance as well, and they look like an off-road tire, so it's hybrid. You can see, for one, it's a great looking tire. Looks very aggressive. You wouldn't think that it is a hybrid tire, but it is. You can see the spacing here. I went over this in the video already. You can see the spacing here. On the middle, they're a little more close together. If you look at an MT tire, it's gonna be huge, big blocks, like big spacing. But on the outside, they still have that nice space so you can kick out mud and dirt if need be. The biggest gripe I had about my Ironman All Country MT tires, which came with the truck when I bought it, was in the rain, they are terrible. Any sort of mild acceleration in the rain from a standstill, your tires are gonna spin every time. When I took turns, the truck was swaying. Not the height of the truck, the traction didn't feel grounded. Like I could not hit the gas in a turn or the tires were spinning, so I hated that. So I want to test these out today. I know how they perform. I've been riding in the rain, but I don't want to share this with you all. A lot of people have been asking me about how I love these. I think right now I have about 3,000 to 5,000 miles on these. I think I've done one oil change already, maybe 5 to 7, somewhere in there. 5,000, we'll say 5,000. I love this tire, and how they perform in the rain is excellent. So let's get doing it. This is gonna be a quick video, not too long. Show y'all some real world stuff here. Let's go. Before we get this video started, please do not try this at home. You got some deep water right here, as you can see. So let's see what it's like. I got my thing in my mouth, so I'm gonna go through this water here. Oh, seriously, hold on. Ooh. I can't see nothing. Okay, there you go. I had to get out of there. Couldn't see nothing. Even though I couldn't see nothing, the tires are handling well. All right, here we go. Slow turn. I'm just gonna mash it right here. Y'all ready? Oh, heck yeah. Ooh. Okay. Back end definitely got loose. The ground's pretty wet. Let's see what happens. Ready? And go. Losing traction. Still losing traction. It's finally hooked up. But actually, it's not that bad though, man. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm about to go all over the place. Like, the back end still feels planted, but the traction light is on. But guys, it literally was just storming like super crazy. And as soon as I came out to do the video, it just stopped raining. Like, literally, it just stopped. It was raining heavy as heck 10 seconds ago. Here we go again. Got a nice wet spot. I'm just gonna floor it. Ready? Go. Oh, there you go. Oh, dude, I'm telling y'all, even though I am spinning and you can see the traction light come on, these tires hook pretty good for the rain, man. Like, it's not scary. It's very confident, inspiring, to say the least. Even though I'm in rain and wet, it doesn't feel like I'm just about to lose it. It's sticking. If I do a hard brake right here, let's see, hard brake, I'm stopped. No sliding, no skidding, nothing. Stopped. I'm telling y'all, man, these tires are very, very impressive. Like, very impressive. Now, let's try this with traction control off and see what happens. So we go turn track off. Traction control is off. Here we go. I'm interested to see. Same thing. Ready? Go. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, man. My back end got sideways. Guys, my truck was almost pointing in another direction. No lie. That was a little sketchy. I would be honest with y'all. Oh, that was a little sketchy. Jeez. One more time, just go jam it. And go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that no more. Sorry, no traction controls, not no cruise control. Yeah, let me turn traction control back on because that was sketchy. But just under normal driving conditions and everything like that, perfect. I'm gonna try to do a dead stop from a dig and see what we get. Here we go. This is about dead as a stop if I can get it. Here we go. 0 and go. Uh-oh. Spinning. Oh, come on, there you go. Good. Oh. Uh-oh, still spinning. Still spinning. I spun a lot right there, and it wasn't as confident inspiring as like it's if I do this, just step on it. Look at that. It dead hooked in. They dead hook. No traction control at all. As I was saying, guys, so I came from mud terrain tires, guys, and let me tell you, those tires were awful in the rain, which is why I ultimately decided to go with a better tire, because even just from a stop at a light and I just slowly take off, the tires will spin. Like, I can be going 5, 10, 12 miles an hour. Any sort of acceleration, the tires will just freaking spin all the time. With the Ridge Grapplers, I do not have that at all, like 0. And I'll show y'all here again one more time so y'all can see, just under normal driving conditions, under normal acceleration, from a stop to go, just normal, no speeding, you'll see here. So I'm about to pull up, road is wet, and we're going up the incline. So here we go. I'm at 0, this is just normal driving. Look at that. Nothing, no traction control, no traction light at all. In my old MTs, if I would have did that in those, I would have been spinning all the way up that little hill right there, like spinning the whole time. I'm gonna do like a light acceleration right here, nothing crazy. They say you're going like 50% throttle, and watch these things, they just stick, man. Here we go, 50%. They sticking. Nothing, they are sticking, no traction control. Hitting this corner right now. At 30 miles an hour, we just go hit the corner, boom. Look at this. They just stick, no spin. All right, guys, I know I ended the video, but I just want to make sure my thoughts were clear with what I was saying. It was raining, so it's wet. Of course, I expected the tires to spin. We knew that was gonna happen. But you still can spin and like feel planted to where it didn't feel out of control. So biggest difference for me, and I noticed when I took traction control off, that's how I felt with my MTs. Anytime I hit it, the truck wanted to turn completely sideways. With these, even on the hard acceleration, it was raining. Yes, traction control was coming in, but it felt planted. It didn't feel like it wanted to get away from you, if that makes sense. And that's the biggest way I can explain it, that it still felt planted, even though I was spinning. Now, with my MTs, like I said, forget about it. I would have been all over the place, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, just want to wrap the video up. That's all I got. Catch y'all next one. When your boy Q, drop a like. What to say? Hit thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't already, you're new to the channel, we got a lot of new people. And if you're watching, please consider subscribing and we can go from there. I still can't say that because I hate asking people to subscribe, but if you like it, if you like red, man, just consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next video. Peace.